WhatsApp Web's new media hub makes finding photos and videos a breeze. No more scrolling forever. Stick with GadInsider to check it out. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. WhatsApp's rolling out a game-changing media hub for WhatsApp Web, letting you track down shared photos, videos, GIFs, and more with ease. Let's dive into what this feature is all about. WA Beta Info spilled the tea. WhatsApp Web's new media hub, coming soon, lives on the left sidebar right above the settings icon. It's a one-stop spot for all shared media, images, videos, GIFs, links, and documents. No more digging through endless chats for that one meme. Sort files by recency or size, search with captions, and see details like who sent it and when. Plus, a multi-sec tool lets you forward, delete, or download multiple files at once. Why is this a big deal? It saves you time and frustration. Find that crucial doc or funny GIF in seconds. This hub's built for power users who juggle tons of shared files, making WhatsApp Web a productivity beast. The media hub's rolling out soon to WhatsApp Web. Keep your app updated to get it first. Check the sidebar for the new icon and start organizing your files like a pro. Follow GadInsider for release updates and tips to master this feature. That's the scoop on what's Hiplev's media hub. GadInsider fam, are you stoked to sort your memes or need it on mobile ASAP? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.